Have you ever felt like you were stuck in a loop, just waiting for life to begin? Like going around in a vicious circle? I knew I did. And I also knew that I wasn't put on this earth just to work, struggle, pay bills, and die. So I burned my bridges about 5 years ago. I sold my home, left everything behind, and I set out to build a life of freedom where I can wake up each day with no obligations and only possibilities. Hi, everyone. I'm Sylvan, a Gen Xer, and I'm excited to share my journey with you. I think I'm living proof that it's never too late to start over and achieve location, time, and financial freedom. I created this channel back in July of 2023, but I really never did anything. That is not until now. This is my first video where I intend to motivate, inspire, and show you that it's never too late to start over. So, on this channel, I will share my experience of living abroad, exploring passive income opportunities, online businesses, working remotely, personal finance, and my travel adventures. So, whatever it is you're looking for to earn passive income, work remotely, or become a digital nomad just like me, I got you covered. I want to be able to empower you with the knowledge and skills so you can walk away from any situation that you're not satisfied with by gaining time, location, and financial freedom that you so deserve. My goal for this channel, ultimately, besides sharing my knowledge with you, is to grow and monetize it. And from what I've been reading here on YouTube, I will need 1,000 subscribers. Currently, I have one, and 4,000 watch hours. And currently, I have zero. So you see, guess what? I am starting from scratch. I'm starting from zero. So join me on this journey by hitting the subscribe button so you can follow my journey. And also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I post a video. And I plan on posting a video at least once a week, somewhere between, I would say, Thursday and Sunday. And you can help me grow this community by responding in the comment section with your thoughts on topics that you think you would like me to talk about on this channel. It's all about taking the first step and getting started. Remember, what doesn't kill you only makes you stronger. Staying in your comfort zone is not a place where you want to remain because real growth happens outside your comfort zone. I figure as we get older, in my case, approaching retirement age, it's a good idea to have multiple streams of income to fund your lifestyle, to fund my lifestyle. My plan is to begin taking my retirement when I'm 62. Why? Because the truth is, no one really knows when your time will end on this earth. So I can supplement my income by monetizing this YouTube channel with evergreen content, and I encourage you to consider doing the same because it's never too late to get started.